Dear friends, today I want to share with you how I created my flagship work, Golden Atom. It was this painting that won international awards and first attracted attention to me as an artist. The goal of the artwork was to convey realism, living water, and atom beauty as much as possible. Please save a photo reference if you want to try this painting. To paint the sky, I first fill the space with blue, brightening it towards the middle of the canvas, and then I paint the clouds. I often use a fan brush and help with my fingers. Then I paint the distant shore. I try to convey the forest and the colors of the foliage. I make the tree crown transparent, and I use different colors of foliage. Try to make the trees uneven, not symmetrical, as it exists in nature. You can try painting the dark shadow areas of the trees first, and then the bright ones that are exposed to the sun. And you can first paint the tree trunk and then the foliage around it. Look, I'm using the fan brush again. To paint water, we need to make a smooth gradient from light to dark towards the bottom of the canvas. Do the shading right away, especially if you are painting with acrylics. Because acrylic will dry quickly, we need to get a smooth transition. When you paint a reflection, try to make brush strokes vertically, as if stretching them downwards. In my painting, I put the reflection of clouds on the water. Look again, I make the reflection of the trees vertically directed. Next, we start to paint the foliage. In the distance, these are just thin lines, strictly horizontal. Next, using a fan brush, we place the leaves on the water in a chaotic manner. The closer to the bottom of the canvas, the larger we paint the foliage. At the very end, you can use a palette knife for large leaves. After this artwork, I received many requests on how to paint a landscape with reflection. I created a mini course for you where I shared all the secrets of painting realistic water and landscape with reflection. This course will help you if you can't paint real water and will also help you paint nature in a realistic style. To take the course, follow the link in the profile header to the tutorials section or find the link under this video. Thank you for your time, and I'm waiting for you at my mini course Landscape with Reflection.